Menteri Rangba Berem Kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma ubelong runong yalam kaseng TMC Meghalaya. Ha ka arpusan terik unaitung arajar arpulai uladawan ke sarkar bantung da kekenhon tokit kebalat luat halor kejing syakem Youth President ke TMC Richard Marak. Ha kebedai bat huri hura kebelajar hatura ha kepor bau Menteri Rangba Kejelau dang lumi kejing yalang bat kiseng balang. Dr. Mukul Sangma uloong baya kini ka kenhun tokit deban kemi da ka Meghalaya High Court rengkat bat ka baken tho persya ya ketenat Pulit bakla kelalong ka atiar jong kisengsan pertai kibaran ha sarkar. Ulebuk jing keliru ikur kom trekam ketenat Pulit bat kala Shah pyndonkam bakla na kebenta kejing mento gitu gibadon ha gebor bat kani kala penlong sendan kipat ba banduk jing syania. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kena baka jing mi jong ko huri hura kadai namar kejing telot jong ketenat Pulit namar kim tip aka kebanja hadin kejing elang kam tam naduk kisngi syuapan sedang kani kejing elang lapan sapriang ya kejing kerpat syagi pat ba leng bag social media banwan kani kejing elang ndri Pulit kim syam lapan krek ban tem mekanu nu kejing ja ladami kejing bomhon na kejing elang.
The reaction from the law enforcing agencies, the district police, was something which became a talk of the day. Why? Because as the police responded to the situation, what has been brought to my notice is that the district police Tura or whoever under the leadership of the concerned SP have circulated the name of the arrested people, where the names of the people were also tagged with the name of certain political parties. And these particular list of the arrested people with the names with the tag of their reflecting their affiliation of some political parties were sent by the police themselves. You must have received. All the media houses must have received. I also have received a copy from my own sources. Thousands of people. Have they identified the party affiliation of these people? Police is expected to respond to their call of duty in sync with the law of the land. Police is an integral part of administration of justice. Police is, I repeat, an indispensable and integral part of the administration of justice. Therefore, when we talk of administration of justice, you talk of enforcing the law of the land, which has been legislated for the purpose of enforcing order, so that people have this sense of fear for law. Now, from the manner in which the police have acted is a reflection of the fact that the district police is acting under the behest of political bosses who are in power. I repeat, the police has reduced itself to be an instrument of the political bosses who are in power. Have they identified all other people in as far as their affiliation to any political party is concerned? There are boys. I saw the list of the arrested persons. 19 years, 20 years, 20 years, 19 years, 21 years from different parts of Garo Hills. And we instead of realizing their failure and incompetence, the incompetence resulting in what has happened yesterday, they have resorted to reduce themselves into an instrument of the political bosses. How is it that the police did not know what was happening? I got this whole list of the social media posts which were doing the round in the preceding days. I just got it now. You see, the whole so-called movement is being navigated in such a way that as though this becomes an issue which has to be taken up by all the people belonging to one particular community. You see, I have suggested earlier also. The sense of oneness amongst the people of the state is crucial for the peace, progress, and prosperity of the state. Somehow or other, I'm very pained to see that this sense of oneness amongst the people, particularly the three major tribes of the state, today is confronted by this big challenge. Therefore, if you go through this posting, social media posting, even the MLAs were being questioned as to why the Garo MLAs are not participating or joining or supporting. You can go through various media channels should be having that access to those social media pages. And in fact, for the particular day, there was a repeated reminder to people, somewhere more like a directive, somewhere more like an appeal, saying that everybody from every nook and corner of Garo Hills must come and converge to that place, particular place, in as far as yesterday's program was concerned. In the name of Jait Panru, in the name of community. So whoever has gone therefore will be charged with emotions. How do you deal with this kind of situation? That means whoever is converging there is responding to this call of duty, which was somehow or other revolving around, as though whoever doesn't respond, do not bother for the issue of the Jait Panru. You see, now you have seen the list of the 18 arrested, which was circulated last night. I think even by midnight, the SP was active in circulating this. But along with the names, the name of a particular political parties, do they know whether they belong to that political party? Even I don't know. Oh. How many people are there in which political party? Are they holding any post in the party? Are they office bearers or are they even members? Therefore, taking the name of a political party in the first instance and subsequently to further defend it, this is as I said, to make good of the conspiracy and to hide the conspiracy, they ultimately resorted to this. That's why I'm saying we will have investigation which should be monitored by the Honorable High Court, independent inquiry, about this all misuse of their position and power by the police.